There's a question I know you've been wanting to ask yourself, but you haven't dared to do. And that is, how good are these cheap Chinese LiFePo4 batteries? And this is not going to be a conclusive review, of course. This is one out of two batteries I'm going to test because AliExpress reached out to me a couple of weeks back and asked if I wanted, well, a sum of money to get stuff for, as they do from time to time. And I figured I've been wondering to know if these batteries are any good, but I've been hesitant to take the risk. So I got two batteries. I got one that just arrived earlier this week, which is this one, and I got one that isn't here yet. So I'm going to do a two-part series looking at both batteries and see how good they are. But this is the Kanavano 6 amp hour battery, and let's get it over on the desk and take a look at first the physical aspects of this battery, and then we can take a look at how it actually performs. I put this through a tester to see. I'm going to show you the test, I'm going to show you the results, and we're going to see if this battery is worth it. So let's head on over to the bench. And now what you see here, of course, is, well, it's the battery tester, and we're going to get back to this later on. But now it's the battery here. And I just need to put the screen so I actually can see what I'm recording. Let's take a look at the label first. It says Kanavano Deep Cycle 12 volts 6 amp hours LiFePo4. Well, that's exactly what we expected. 76 watt hours. Operating voltage 12.8, all the necessary things. And this thing has an important thing if you're doing air travel. It sets the amount of watt hours here. And this is something I wish more batteries would do, actually post the amount of watt hours on it, so they're airplane friendly. In that case, you can call a Chinese battery airplane friendly. We're going to take a look at the dimensions on it, but let's just take a look at the top here. We have two of the spade connectors here. So just made a quick power pole adapter here, which I put on top here with some power pole plugs. So, besides that, not really much to say about the battery. Feels good, feels a bit heavier than expected, and there's a reason for that. We're going to also take a look at that later on. Feels sturdy. The plastic is, well, I'm not sure how to describe it. It feels Chinese. I guess that's the way of saying it. The plastic feels a bit cheap, but it seems sturdy. There's also a little bit of a hollow feel to it when you knock it. But let's take a look at the dimensions of the battery. Because when you look at AliExpress picture, it looks like the battery has slightly different dimensions than this battery has. And I think there's a reason for that. So let's just measure it out here. And see how long it is. It is 15 centimeters wide. As you can see on the overlaid screenshot, it's supposed to be 90 millimeters wide. So it's quite a lot wider than the picture says. Let's see how high it is. It is 95 millimeters, 9.5 centimeters tall. According to the picture, it's supposed to be 10 centimeters, 100 millimeters tall. Let's check the final side here though. That's 60 millimeters, and according to the picture, supposed to be 72 millimeters. So, yeah, it's not a specified size-wise, and that makes me wonder, how heavy is this battery? Let's go steal a scale from the kitchen cabinet and see how heavy it is. And here we have a kitchen scale from my wife. I just took it from the kitchen cabinet. It is zeroed. You can see it says 0 grams. Let's put it on the scale and see. And that says 956 grams. Wow, and I'm going to put the overlay over here again. The illustration says it's supposed to be 0.7 kilos, and that's 700 grams. So this is 256 grams heavier than the description. I'm not sure if this is good or bad, but it's certainly not as advertised. So that concludes the physical aspects of this battery. It's still not a large battery. It's quite smaller than the 5 amp hour battery that I tested when I showed the battery tester. But how about capacity wise? Is this battery really 6 amp hours? Well, let's put it on the tester and see. And I'm also going to feed the data from the tester into Claude with a couple of data points here. I haven't really found a good way of doing it. I'm going to take some pictures during the process so Claude can analyze the pictures and draw some graphs and do a little bit of report on it. So we're going to see really how much capacity does this Kanavano battery have. Let's go ahead and see how much capacity this Kanavano battery has. And as you could see from the discharge there, it didn't stop very far from 6 amp hours. I've set the cutoff voltage to 11.6 volts. I could probably set it a bit deeper and squeeze a couple more milliamp hours out of it. But and I have to look over on the screen here on my cheat sheet because, well, I can't remember all these datas. The measured capacity was 5.8 milliamp hours, 5,793 milliamp hours, so 5.8 amp hours on a 6 amp or battery that's claimed to be 6 amp hours. I'm going to call that a pass. According to the analysis that Claude did, we're at state of health of 96.6%. Again, well, it's cheap measuring equipment, so there might be some error in there, and leaving that error, I'm going to say that this battery has passed capacity-wise. Delivered 73.14 watt hours. The battery says 76 watt hours. That's so close that we're going to call that a pass. And the test took 1 hour and 55 minutes and 1 hour and 56 seconds. 1 hour and 56 minutes. Minutes, hours, seconds, days. It's not that easy. If you look at the graph here, you can see that it drops off at first as all LiFePo batteries go down to 12.8 volts, keeps that for a long while, and then you got a really rapid drop at the end of the discharge. Typical of LiFePo4 batteries. So, well, I'm going to say that this battery is a pass. And how much is this battery, you might ask? Well, over on AliExpress at, well, right now, it is $36.04. That is a steal for this battery. You even get free shipping on it, at least to Norway. I'm not going to say for other parts of the world, but for that price, even though it's not, well, it's not size-wise what it's claimed to be, I'm going to recommend this battery. And honestly, I didn't think I was going to recommend a cheap Chinese LiFePo4 battery. But, well, as you could see, it passed the tests. There might be, well, I'm not sure how good the BMS is. I'm not sure how much protection there is in the BMS of this battery. So with all cheap batteries, you got to beware. But as far as I can see, and I've tested this for an activation, it does work. I do have another battery on the way, as I said, and that is a Nasdima battery, 8 amp hours. And according to the description for that Nasdima battery, it's going to be the same size as this one. So I was hoping for one really physically small battery and one a little bit larger. Looking forward to testing that as well. It's going to be in my mailbox sometime next week, according to the tracking. So we're going to see how that performs. We're going to do the exact same test on that, and then we're going to try at the end of that video do a conclusion if it's worth buying these cheap batteries from China. Either if it's on Amazon, if it's on eBay, if it's on AliExpress, where I got mine. So, well, thumbs up for me. Actually, 2 thumbs up for this battery. Great value for money, which I honestly, as I said, didn't expect. There are some affiliate links down below to this battery, and also the battery tester. Let's see what else. Give it a thumbs up if you liked this video. Thumbs down if you didn't like this video. Both are greatly appreciated. Do leave a comment down below if you have any experience with cheap LiFePo4 batteries. If you have any thoughts on my testing methods, and I know there's a couple keyboard warriors out there looking forward to say that my test methodology was all wrong, but, well, I did it my way as far as I can see it passed. If I'm wrong, I'm going to make a follow-up video on this. I guess that's it for now. I'll see you guys down the bands. I'll see you in my next video. 7-3, my friends.